Hi everyone, in this video I will show you how to search fonts in CapCut. So this is a very easy tutorial. First, you just have to simply launch or open your CapCut application. Make sure that you're using the latest version of your CapCut application. Here you need to create a new project first, so you have to tap on new project and it will take you directly to some of the templates that you can use. So basically, I'm just going to tap on new project right here. I'm going to import a picture from my gallery. So let me tap this one. Next. And here I can now start editing my picture or videos. So to simply search for fonts, you have to tap on text right here, add text. In the add text section, you will see here different options including fonts. And all you have to do is to click on fonts, go to the search icon, and then search for the specific font that you want to use for your project. So you can search for Arial or any font that you want to add here. All you need to do is to enter the specific name of the font. Now, once done, you can tap on the search icon. It will show you the results of that specific font. So basically that's it. You just have to go to the search icon and then type the specific font. And once you found it, you need to download that font first. For example, this one right here, Rubik. Tap on download, wait for a couple of seconds, and once done, then you can now use this font. As easy as that. And if you encounter some problems, always make sure again that you're using the latest version of the CapCut version right here. Okay, so that's how easy it is to search fonts in CapCut. Thank you so much for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.